The dashboard made a trip to Sam's the other day, and while I was parked in the parking lot waiting, another truck decided to pass between the dashboard and the Cart Corral or Buggy Roundup or whatever you call those things in your particular area. Well, there wasn't quite enough room for him to pass through, and he lightly tapped the mirror on the dashboard with his truck mirror. Now, this wasn't a big deal. He didn't do any damage. I was in the truck the whole time and saw everything that happened. And I wasn't upset. It wasn't a thing to me. It was just, he tapped the mirror. Well, a few minutes later, and a guy appears and approaches the dashboard in the parking lot. And he profusely apologized for hitting my truck. And I told him it really wasn't a big deal, and told him it was alright because he didn't do any damage. He didn't even scratch it. But later on, I thought about it. And I really appreciated that he at least actually came over and apologized for doing it. Now, how many people currently would do that? Now, I don't know. Probably not very many. Yeah, but I appreciated it all the same. Now, here's the video of what happened.
Oh.
Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
They got your Friskies cat food.
Yeah?
Gravy pleasers and pate. Wait a minute.
Hey, sir. Excuse me.
Yeah.
I want to apologize. My wife said when I came through, I was close.
Yeah, you just barely touched my
I'm
mirror.
sorry. I did?
Yeah, you just barely touched it.
Oh,
You're
man,
fine.
I'm so sorry, man. Please forgive me.
That ain't no big deal.
Yeah, but it's a big deal to me because my wife was like, baby, you was close. I'm like, you just scared me. I'm like, I thought I was over far enough. So
No,
I apologize.
If you'd actually done anything, I'd have been hopped out.
Because we both have F-150, so we have to honor one another.
Yep.
Yeah. So who y'all got today? Gators?
South Carolina. Playing the Gamecocks.
Okay. In Gainesville?
Nah, I don't think so. I think they're playing up there.
Oh, okay. Well, again, I apologize.
That's all right.
All right, thank you.
You didn't do no damage.
Thank you. And I love how you gathered it out.
Yeah. All right, I'm back.
Alright.
Guy clipped my mirror when he pulled between me and the buggy corral.
Yeah.
He just barely touched it.
Yeah. Alright.
Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.